You can see a loose wire, you can spot a wet floor. But what about the danger you cannot see, only hear? Workplace noise is one of the most ignored hazards, yet it affects millions of workers every day. And the worst part? The damage is often permanent. From construction sites to factories, even busy offices, constant exposure to high noise levels can slowly damage your hearing. It does not happen overnight. It builds up, day by day, shift by shift. By the time you notice ringing in your ears or trouble hearing conversations, the damage is already done. But it is not just about hearing loss. Excessive noise can cause stress, fatigue, reduced concentration, and even increase the risk of accidents. When you cannot hear warnings, alarms, or instructions clearly, your safety is at risk. So what can you do? Use proper hearing protection like earplugs or earmuffs. Follow safety guidelines for noise exposure. And most importantly, do not ignore the signs your body gives you. Because workplace noise may be invisible, but its impact is loud and lasting. Protect your hearing today, because once it is gone for good.